अगर कोटि कोटि लोगों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र भारत हो सकता है तो कोटि कोटि लोगों के संकल्प से, पुरुषार्थ से, आत्मनिर्भर बनने से, वोकल फॉर लोकल की बात करने से, स्वदेशी का मंत्र को जापने से समृद्ध भारत भी बन सकता है।
In this age of modernity, something ancient reaches out from behind, calling us back to a forgotten rhythm. You all must have heard of clay pots, but have you ever heard of a water purifier made up of clay? This is clay water purifier. Unlike other purifiers, it doesn't consume electricity or waste liters of water. In fact, this clay water purifier provides us with clean and cool water 24/7, even without a refrigerator. Yes, you heard that right. Without a refrigerator. While modern water purifiers often strip water of its essential minerals, this clay water purifier retains all the natural minerals of the water. A water purifier, particularly those using reverse osmosis, commonly known as RO, can waste a significant amount of water, with a common ratio being about 3 liters of wastewater for every 1 liter of pure water produced. This means approximately 75% of the input water becomes wastewater, though the exact amount depends on factors like the model, water pressure, and the level of impurities. This beautiful innovation has been created by 65-year-old Purnachandra, who made this clay water filter using just 2 earthen pots and a candle. Purnachandra, a traditional potter by profession, has set himself apart with his effort to create something new, something unique, an innovation that meets the environment's most pressing needs. From Bargarh district in Odisha, he has brought his clay water purifier to the Terracotta Fair in Bhubaneswar for sale. People visiting the fair are amazed to see how something so practical can be made using only clay. In today's plastic-dominated world, such efforts to revive clay craftsmanship are truly commendable. Along with that, Purnachandra explains in simple words how beneficial clay is for our body and how this clay filter can provide cool, clean water without electricity even in the hottest weather.
माटी रे तैयार कर फिल्टर है एथिरे कोनोसी लाइन रो किछि साहाय्य नबार न पड़े कैंडेटा लगी खाली कैंडल पाइन भरली साला उतारू बाहर जेते गरम आसबा इति भीतरटा सेति अधिका ठंडा आसबो जलवायु अनुसार आमे इति पाइन झरुची माटी सामना रे आमे टील रे मुटा ना झरे पाइन सेटा गरम आसी स्टील रे कि कोसारे कोनोसी पाइन ना झरे ये बाहर झरी बसला पाइन की ठंडा आसबा भीतर वाटर फिल्टर माने देखलियो निजे माटीटा बनाई बोली चेष्टाटी करलियो बने।
He also mentions that if we take proper care of it, this filter can last for years. It only needs to be cleaned once a week. Through his work, Purnachandra reminds everyone that when we stay connected with the earth, life remains healthy and beautiful. With video journalists Sumanta Sahu and Pramod Mahapatra, Shatrupa Samantrai's report, Argus Digital.